When we are writing and thinking, wouldn't it be wonderful if we could pick up these words from the mind map by hand? It would better resonate with our brain. This is Mover Erase, a palm-sized whiteboard. When you need to execute something, you can easily break down the task piece by piece like a puzzle. And you can easily single out a piece in front of you when your vision is not disturbed by others, and you can focus on one thing at a time. Your productivity will be better compared to memos curling up and falling off all the time. On average, a person in the United States uses more than 700 pounds of paper every year. Per person, 8 trees have to be cut down, and 7,000 gallons of water need to be consumed throughout the process. Mover Erase can be a more eco-friendly option. On an A4 paper, things cannot be separated, and writing can get messy. With Mover Erase, written ideas can be reorganized. You can list and group them in different forms to visualize and feel them. Your brain actually works like that, as you can correlate things with direct movement of your hands. You can easily utilize a whiteboard as your strategy deployment. If we have more colors, you can easily classify tasks and ideas at a glance. We introduced the mechanic press and stand-up design. Even if closely surrounded, Mover Erase can be singled out from the big picture, and your thinking flow will not be disturbed. The magnetic feature of it lets you have an at-a-glance environment on any metal surface. Many experts point out that when you see something and can move it by hand, your cognitive ability is stimulated. Mover Erase is a tactile tool to bring the sense of touch of playing chess into breaking down ideas. Of course, you can easily stack them up for storage, or on-the-go brainstorming. With the help of MagDisc, you can put Mover Erase on a mirror, near your bed, on your door, essentially everywhere. Build your own base with it. With the experience of our last campaign, many people are saying moving pieces by hand for written ideas really help them with better execution. And here is a second generation of Mover. And we hope we can pull this off with your support. If it sounds like something you would use, let's go green and share this with your friends. We are bravestorming.com, powered by action. Do follow our Instagram.